Hello everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth, and today we will be cash stuffing my Rabbit Savings Challenge book slash binder. And I call it that because it has more than just the Rabbit Savings Challenge in it. So here we have about $54, a couple dollars left over from a previous savings challenge. And the first one we're going to start with is help the rabbit find the flower bed. So far, I have been able to uncover two. And if you land on a carrot, you have to put in $2. But the objective is to scratch off all the flower beds. And once you've done that, you have completed the savings challenge. So let's get started. And so today I will be using a 12 die. Yeah. All right. And we have 11. So we started here. Let me clear that off. Last time we were here, we left off here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, so close. So we're going to put in $2. 1 and 2. And we are here. Okay. And 11 again. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Another $2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another $2. Oh, I need to scratch off some flower beds. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more. And one more. 8. Oh. No, it was supposed to be $2, not $7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Whew. And this one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, so close. Another $2. Okay. That is it for the Rabbit Savings Challenge. It's going to take all our little money, and we're trying to get the flower beds uncovered. Okay. So today we will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and our next challenge is with this savings challenge, I either will pull a card or a domino. Today we're going to use the deck of cards. And today I will only be pulling one card because I'm low on funds. And if I get too high of a number, like an ace, I will have to go and pull money that I have set aside for my other savings challenges. So, yeah. And we had 2 jumpers, but we're only pulling 1 today, so we're not taking those. All right. Uh-oh. 7. All right. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Our next savings challenge is our $3 savings challenge, and we will be adding $3 here. 1, 2, and uh-oh. Well, it looks like we're gonna pull the hideous dollar. I need to get that back to the bank. That thing is so hideous. Wait. Oh, there you go. Okay, and our next savings challenge here is our $2 savings challenge. So 2, 4, 6. We're going to go ahead and complete this one by giving it $6. So let's see if I have $4 in here. I do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, going back in the bank because we're going to snatch out 10. And this challenge is complete for 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, we have completed this savings challenge. And this will be calculated under quarter 2. Okay, so the next savings challenge for this one will be this one here for $4.65. Put that one in the front. Okay. Our next one we have here is our dice roll. So I'm going to use our 6 dice for this. And we have 4. Color out of here and take a 5 and put a 5 in. And I'm going to color the 4. Let's see, do we have a 4? We do. Right up in here. Okay. All right, right? Yes, okay. And then our next one we have, oh, this is our 26-week challenge. Ooh. We have a 16 and a 24. I have 16. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that off. I keep going to the one. Wrong one. Wrong one. And when we're done with this one, we will have 702 in there. And our next one is $10. I underestimated how much money I was going to need for this challenge. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 for our 10. So we should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in here. 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Whoa, how was I counting just now? I have no clue. Okay, our next one and our final one here. I will be adding $10 here to complete this one. Yes, another one completed. I was about to color it in. I'm just going to go ahead and color it in. I was so excited. I started coloring it in. All right. Add $10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For a total of $50. And this one is also completed. For quarter 2. Uh-oh. They act like they didn't want it to open. I'm going to have to throw that one away and get another one. Quarter 2. And for this one, I'm going to use the $5 challenge for the next round. Okay, and that is it. That will complete my Rabbit Book Savings Challenge. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.